Hello, everyone. It's me, Mrs. Gronert, and today is Take It Apart Tuesday, the second day of STEAM week. Today's challenge is fruit and vegetable dissection. What do you need to complete this activity? Well, you'll need fruits and vegetables. You'll need a magnifying glass and your five senses. What do you do to complete this challenge? Well, to complete this challenge, your job is to use your five senses and the magnifier to explore a variety of fruits and vegetables. You'll get to dissect those fruits and vegetables and then think about what you see, notice, and wonder. Think about where the seeds are located for each of the different fruits and vegetables. When you're finished with all of that, you'll get to create a beautiful art project of your choice to show which fruit or vegetable you liked the best. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. I already have my plate of different fruits and vegetables here. Do you see those? Wonderful. So the first thing I want to do is take my magnifier and really look at them. Want to really look at those fruits and vegetables closely with the magnifier. See what I notice. Do you see the seed inside of there? Yeah, I do. Let's look at another one. Take your time when you're looking. Really study. What does it look like when you're looking through that magnifier? Can you see cool details about the different fruits and vegetables? Wow. Can you tell where all the seeds are? Do you see the seeds in that blackberry? Yeah, so interesting. Take your time with that part of the activity. When you've really taken your time to look at everything closely, then I want you to use one of the activity sheets and draw a picture of the different fruits and vegetables you've dissected. You can use the words at the bottom to help you label what those are. You can also label the different parts of the fruits and vegetables you see. I'll do a little bit of this now, and I'll show you what it looks like when I finish. So I just started and I drew two of my fruits that I saw. I saw the pepper, and I wanted to make sure I showed that the seeds were kind of flat, and then I labeled it with the word seeds and the word pepper. I also labeled my grape with the word grape and fruit, and I tried to show exactly where the seeds were in the grape. When you finish drawing all of the different plants that you're looking at and dissecting, I want you to use that magnifier again and look at all of those fruits and vegetables very closely. Then draw what you see when you look in the magnifier. So you're going to want to draw that kind of big. I'll do one right now and I'll show you when I finish. So I drew what I noticed with the blackberry when I looked through the magnifier. When I looked through that magnifier, I could really see all of the little seeds inside. I could also see that there was a line of green all the way around the inside part, and that the middle was a little bit yellow. And I tried to draw that really closely to the way I saw it with the magnifier. You can do that for 4 different fruits on this page. Then, when you complete that part of the activity, you get to use your 5 senses and choose just one of the fruits and vegetables to complete this activity with. So you'll get to write its name and draw a picture of it. Then tell, how does that fruit or vegetable look, sound, smell, feel, and taste. You might want to taste all of the different fruits and vegetables before you decide which one to choose, because this could be a lot of fun. Then write about everything you see, feel, taste, smell, and touch with your five senses. If you finish all of those things, you can make a really beautiful piece of art about your favorite. Maybe you'll want to do a painting. Maybe you'll want to do a drawing. I'm going to do a drawing. I'll show you when I finish. So I made a silly picture of the grape. It was my favorite this time. Look at that. It even says, I am a grape. I hope you have fun creating artwork for the fruit and vegetable you liked the best. When you're all done, think, how are the fruits and vegetables you looked at the same or different? How does each fruit or vegetable feel, look, smell, and taste? Why do you think the seeds are different for each fruit or vegetable? I sure hope you have fun with this STEAM Week activity, and I can't wait to see you again tomorrow.